Hello dear students, here it is our important question. The question goes like this: using Euclid's algorithm, find the HCF of 2048 and 960. So we need to find HCF of these two numbers by using Euclid's algorithm. So before applying Euclid's algorithm, you need to know what is Euclid's division lemma. According to Euclid's division lemma, when A is greater than B, here A is one number and B is another number. When A is greater than B, A is equals to BQ plus R and 0 is lesser than or equals to R is less than B. So this is simply nothing but division rule. So Euclid division lemma is nothing but simply it's a division rule which you have learnt in your lower classes, like lower grades. That is, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and moreover you have to keep in mind remainder is always lesser than the divisor. Okay, till that time you have to continue the process, division process. We'll do that. Okay, whether R is become 0 or it will ends up to, if it is not what you can say exactly divisible, the process will end at when R is less than B. If it is exactly divisible, it ends when R is equals to 0, remainder equals to 0. So here Euclid's algorithm also same. So what we'll do is, we'll take these two numbers, one is A, another one is B, and by applying Euclid's division lemma, if R becomes 0, then process ends there. If R doesn't become 0, then again process will continue. How it will continue, we'll look at it. Okay, applying Euclid's algorithm on 2048 and 960. So like we have seen, this is A and this is B, and here this is greater than this. So according to Euclid's division lemma, 2048 is equals to 960 into dash plus dash. This is A is equals to B into Q. We need to find that quotient plus remainder. Right now we don't know what it is, so leave some space. Now we'll find that. So 960, how many times it will divide? So this divides 2 times. 2 into 960, that is 1920. 2048 minus 1920 is, this becomes, we have 128. 128. So 2048 is equals to 1960 into 2 plus 128. Here it is not equals to 0 or not equals to 0. Now process will continue on these two. Then this becomes A and this becomes B now. So 1960 is equals to 128 into dash plus dash. A is equals to B Q plus R. We need to find Q and R. So here 128, how many times it will divide? 7 times. 7 into 128, that is 896. 896. So 960 minus 896, we get 64 is not equals to 0 again. Again process will continue. Now Euclid's algorithm, according to this, so this applies on these two numbers. Here this is A and this is B now. Now apply. 128 is equals to 64 into dash plus dash. Now 64 into how many times it will divide? 2 64s are 128. So we got 0 here. So remainder is 0. Therefore our HCF is 64. Therefore HCF of 2048 and 960 is 64. Therefore, HCF of 2048, 960 is equals to 64, which means the highest common factor which they can divide both the given numbers is 64. Other than that, there are other common factors also, but here the highest common factor is 64. This is it.